Hello man, my name is Gopinath. Register number is UR15CS354. I'm doing the problem now. Row major column. The first is include IO stream. It is a structured preprocessor, also known as a header file. And second is using the name std. All the element in the standard C++ library are declared within what is called the namespace or the namespace std. Now declaring the variables for rows and columns as int row and col. After that, I'm using the input asking for the number of rows in matrix. By cout enter the number of rows next line, and c in row taking the input by the user in the variable row. After that, I'm again printing the user input asking the number of columns, like cout enter the number of columns, and then taking the input by the user in the variable column by c column. After that, I'm initializing the two-dimensional array with the array name a, int a of row and column. After that, the output is displayed by the address of the following matrix as follows, and declaring the variables for I and j for a loop as int I comma j base address into row a major into column major, and again initializing the base address with 0 comma 0, and I am using the for loop for outer for loop for running the number of rows, and then inside that loop I am using another nested loop for inner loop running for the number of columns. In that I am printing the index number of each capsule by address of I comma j, and the row major is equal to base address plus row I into row plus I j, storing the address of the array package according to the row major, and likewise the storing the address of the array package according to the column. Again, I'm putting the address of every package in the row major format. The base address of the given location is in the row order in the row major and cout next line. And again, I'm printing the address of every array packet in the column major formats. Then I'm going to next line. Now I'm going to run the program. Yes. I'm giving 4 for number of columns 4. I'm going to run the program. Enter a number of rows 3, enter a number of columns 3, and shows the address of the every column and rows. For likewise, for example, address of 2 comma 2, the base address of the given array location in the row major order is 0 into 29 fe 98. The base address of the given array location in the column major address is 0 into 0x 29 fe 98. Thank you. Control Shift S.